Hi everyone. So today we are going to do this amazing activity and we are going to make it. Now I'm making a cute mosquito. This is a mosquito smashing activity. You have to draw mosquito like this. Draw cute eyes and sharp proboscis and color it black, and then you have to color all the mosquitoes in different colors so you can teach different basic colors to the kids, to any age of kids and toddlers. So the next I'm making blue color and then yellow and then purple. So later on you have to cut the paper in the same shape of the mosquito, and then later on you will cut all the shape, and you will need transparent tape for making it more stronger so your kids can play with it again and again. And when you smash the blood, when you smash the mosquito, so this paper will not break or tear. Here are some colors. You can cut them in different colors and you can teach colors to your kids. So you will need a transparent tape, apply it upside and then turn it and apply the back side of the mosquito as well. So now your mosquito is stronger and it will not get damaged. So after, you have to cut the same mosquito shape after applying the tape. So you can see the front side and back side is secured with the tape, and you need small cotton ball, and you can take more smaller so it will be easy to hide it under the mosquito. So take red poster color for making blood. You can take the fake blood paint as well, and I had this red poster color, so poster color paint, so I'm taking it and then mix it with water for making it little thin paint, so it will look like a blood when you smash it, when you smash the mosquito. So mix it and make it thin, and then take very small. You have to make it more smaller according to my experience. Make more smaller ball so it will be easy to hide under the mosquito. And it's better if you take the cotton which soak the water or paint very easily. So I'm showing you the complete procedure. So put the cotton ball, make it more smaller, and put your mosquito on it and smash, and tell your kids to smash it. So this is a very fun stress relief activity as well. When they beat it, they will be so happy that we are beating the mosquito. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.